I was at work, normal day, or so I thought. I get the phone call that one of the twins was choking, and then Emilio was there and saw it, and he was able to save him by performing the Heimlich.
We were in lunch, and I was across the table from him. He took a bite of the sandwich, then he started turning red, and he did this. I couldn't say anything. I just did this, and he knew what to do. He took me in the front of the cafeteria, and then after that, he called one of the teachers.
They called us, and we ran to the cafeteria. And when we got there, Emilio already got his brother, and the food was already on the floor. So we got there. He was proactive. He was, he showed a lot of bravery.
The fact that here at Trevino Elementary, they took that initiative to teach the students, I'm so proud. It's a great feeling to know that we have that type of care for our students here at PSG.
He was the first one to notice me. He did the Heimlich, and he saved my life.